Lauren?
I'm sorry, Scott.
You should have listened to me, Mr. Shelby. I told you to drop the
What?
investigation.
Your son is a serial killer. How many people does he have to kill before you turn him in?
Gordy has his faults, but he's still my son. You have no children, Mr. Shelby. You can't possibly understand. You leave me no choice. Your investigation is over. For good.
Everything has gone to pot. Like, he's gonna die. The other detective died. Like, the freaking dad's been captured by the police. We're all screwed. Like, everything's gone to pot right at the end. The hell? Oh, crap. We're so screwed. Okay, come on. No, okay. Oh my god. Right, okay.
Goddamn fool. Nothing's gonna work if I don't switch on that ignition.
Okay, okay. Gosh.
Oh, God damn it. Oh, God damn it.
Okay. Come on. Oh no, we're so dead. Got it. Right, okay. Get her out. It doesn't seem like that's a good idea. I probably should have untangled her first. I didn't mean to leave her! I am such a bad person. No! 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 Can I restart? Can I restart? Back to menu. Back to menu. Yeah, that's fine. Progress since I save will be lost. Continue. Yes. No, I want to save her. I'm not leaving her. I'm not doing that. Forget that shit. Alright. No. Oh my god. Alright. There we go. Okay.
Lauren!
Get her up.
Lauren, wake up!
Get her up.
Lauren!
Get her hands. One, hands. Get it. Right, okay. Okay. Pick up. Fine. Did they grab her? They grab her? She's free now. Get her. Get her. Take her with you. Yes, good man. Good man, well done. Oh my god. The first time I just left her. I'm such a bad person. Okay, you're such a bad person. Oh dear, oh my god. So you could have just left her to die. Dude, man. Holy crap. Even
I was
after
gonna
she
think I'm swimming
betrayed you.
This isn't exactly what I had in mind. You got a car back at your place? Mine's obviously pretty fucked up.
Yeah, sure. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go settle a few scores. Come on, I'll take you home. Lock your doors and windows and don't let anybody in but me. Okay?
Be careful, Scott. I don't want to lose you.
Well, damn. Swimming instructor. Lol. That's funny. Ooh, he looks pissed. He looks so fucking... Yes, ram the gate with your car. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, hell yeah. Into gear. Let's go. Boom. Come for you bitches. Through the front door. There we go. Oh my god. He's going crazy. Right. Daddy's got to clean up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa! Oh! Damn. Whoop! Oh, shit. Damn it. I'm so fucking dead. Man, I was expecting that to be way smoother. It just wasn't. I'm so fucking dead. Oh, I'm so dead. Oh, I'm gonna die. Can I restart?
Stay back! Don't come near me, or I'll shoot!
Fucking asshole.
Please, don't hurt me. Oh!
Deserved it. Holy crap.
Your idiot son killed all those kids, didn't he? He's the origami killer.
No! No! He's innocent! He's not a killer! Not a killer! Oh! Oh! Oh!
You're a fucking liar. Now tell me the truth.
No! No, please! Don't hurt me!
Last chance.
I don't know. I swear. I don't know anything. Oh. Oh. Stop. Stop. I beg you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you everything.
Go on then.
Gordy always wanted his fun, you know. He wanted to be like the origami killer. He kidnapped that kid and he held him under the water for a little too long. It was an accident. An unfortunate accident. He just wanted to play. He told me everything. He was crying. He was so sorry for what had happened. Whatever he did, Gordy is my son. No one will miss him.
What?
That boy, Gordy killed. No one will miss him. He was street trash, like so many others.
Oh, you went too far.
You disgusting pile of shit. And what about John Shepard? Why did you put flowers on his grave?
I own the construction site where he died. I never forgot. I've been putting flowers on his grave for 30 years.
John had a twin brother. What happened to him?
I don't know. He was adopted, I think. His mother should know. Her name is Anne. Anne Shepard.
I saw that coming.
My heart! My heart! Quickly! I need my pills. In that drawer. There.
What drawer? What drawer? This drawer? This drawer. Give him the pills? Don't give him the pills.
Thank you. You saved my life.
I already regret it.
Man, I want to replay that and like just get everything perfect. So I'm like a freaking badass cowboy.
You should have listened to me, Mr. Shelby. I told you to drop
What?
the investigation.
Your son is a serial killer. How many people does he have to kill before you turn him in?
Gordy has his faults, but he's still my son. You have no children, Mr. Shelby. You can't possibly understand. You leave me no choice. Your investigation is over. For good.
Everything has gone to pot. Like, he's gonna die. The other detective died. Like, the freaking dad's been captured by the police. We're all screwed. Like, everything's gone to pot right at the end. The hell? Oh, crap. We're so screwed. Okay, come on. No, okay. Oh my god. Right, okay.
Goddamn fool. Nothing's gonna work if I don't switch on that ignition.
Okay, okay.
Lauren?
I'm sorry, Scott.
Gus.
Oh, God damn it. Oh, God damn it.
Okay. Come on. Oh no, we're so dead.